Welcome back now, crew. Welcome back. Look at this polygel kit I have a brand new polygel kit and I'm so excited, you guys. This has been one of the best polygel kits I've gotten in a long time, and you guys will see why very shortly. But the box alone is super cool because it reminds me of like a game board. Remember, if you guys are my age, remember back in the day you used to get a brand new game board like Trouble or Monopoly, and you just open the box. Okay, never mind, because kids nowadays don't get board games. You guys get digital games, so you probably don't have a clue what I'm talking about. But my age and older, whoop-de-woo! You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so forget the fact that the box is super cute. Forget that. Let's look at the leaflet inside the box. So it tells you that there are 8 neutral or natural colors, right? And then there are 4 temperature changing colors. So we'll play with all of the colors today, you guys. We'll play with the neutral ones, and we'll also play with the temperature changing just to make sure that they change colors. And then also on the same little leaflet, it just shows you everything that's in this kit. This is a massive kit, guys. Look at all the contents in this kit. And I'm going to show you guys everything as well. And then it shows you precautions about using the kit. Of course, you want to be careful. You don't want to get anything on your skin, blah, 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 blah. And then it shows you step-by-step instructions. I'm not going to read that to you. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's get on to the fun stuff. The fun stuff is playing with what's actually in this kit. Now, before I show you guys, make sure that you subscribe, please. Make sure that you also hit that bell so you know when I upload next. Share my videos so that I can continue to grow, and here we go. All right, so here's the kit. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is these nippers. You guys, I have like 12,000 polygel kits. Not one of my polygel kits come with cuticle nippers or nail clippers. Now, you guys, look at these nail clippers. These are not like cheap dollar store nail clippers. These are super thick. Like, this is a really good quality. You guys, are you kidding me right now? Cuticle nippers and a nail clipper, come on. Like, what polygel kit have you seen with this? I have not seen any, and I have 12,000. Yes, 12,000 polygel kits. I thought that was super cool. Putting those two things in there just really set the kit apart. And then, of course, you have a cuticle pusher. So on one side is a cuticle pusher. This side is where you push your cuticles back. And then the other side is a cuticle scraper. So if you had to scrape off some extra dense skin, that's the side that you would use. And then, of course, like most of the kits today, you get a cute little hand file. So here's a hand file. And then what I want to show you guys next, but it's just so overwhelmingly, like, just everything in here is just so cool. Then, of course, you're going to get this brush. One side is a spatula. You could slice and dice that polygel, and then the other side is a brush so that you could brush on the polygel. So you guys will see me use this tool today. Just keep watching, because I'm gonna play with everything in this kit. It's been so long since I've opened up a polygel kit like this that I'm just so excited, and I'm like, yes. Whoever put this kit together, you guys, like, you thought of everything. You really thought of everything, and I really appreciate this, and I'm just so happy to show this to you guys. So of course you got beautiful glitter. Look at that. Oh my gosh, breathtaking. If you're new here, I'm so sorry, but I get kind of sing-songy when I'm look at that. I get so sing-songy when I'm excited or when I had coffee. And it's a little bit of both because I just had some coffee and I'm excited. So you're welcome. Turn your device down. You guys, stop leaving me comments saying that I'm too loud. I am not too loud. Your device is just up too high. Look at this blue. Look at that blue. That blue looks like the one that I'm wearing. Oh my gosh. So you know I love it. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I'm not too loud. Your device is just up too high. Turn your device down or take the headphones out because listen, I'm from the Bronx. Ooh, come on. Get out of here. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is beautiful. You guys, they put glitter in the kit and they didn't go with like some cheapo, ugly colors. They showed out with the glitter. Okay, here's some slip solution, guys. Here's some slip solution. I am going to open it and give it a little sniff. But what I was saying, you guys, stop telling me I'm loud. I'm not loud. I'm from the Bronx, you guys. My family is from Jamaica. That's loud plus loud. What do you expect me to do? Get on here and whisper? Get out of here. All right, smelling it, it smells like alcohol. It smells kind of alcohol-y. I feel like most slip solutions smell the same nowadays, so it does have like a undertone of alcohol is kind of what it smells like. So it's not a bad smell. That's just what it smells like to me. All right, so let's get into these dual forms. And this is another reason why I said this kit is the best polygel kit that I've seen in a long time. Look at these dual forms, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at these. They have the good dual forms. They got the big ones, the big juicy ones. All you guys keep telling me, I cannot find dual forms to fit my big thumbs. I have big gorilla thumbs. I have big beefy thumbs. Yo, if you have big thumbs, come on, y'all. This is perfect for you. These are the really big, deep dual forms. I feel like it should be able to fit anybody. Look at it on top of my thumbnail. Look how big that is, you guys. This will also be good for a toe. If you guys do polygel on your toes, I think this would be a good dual form for toes or for men. Some men get their nails done, and obviously they have bigger nail beds than us. They need bigger dual forms. So I feel like these dual forms are really good for women who have really big nail beds, but also for men. And then I'm showing you guys the smallest one because I know if there are people out there with really, really large nail beds, there's also people out there with really, really small nail beds. And I feel like this should be able to fit you. I don't know. I feel like these are the best dual forms. I've said that before. I did a whole dual form video last year, guys, maybe even 2 years ago. And I said that these type of nail forms were my favorite. I'll leave that video in the description box below. You guys can check it out. If you guys are having problems finding dual forms to fit you, I think that video should help. All right, so let's play with the base coat. I'm giving it a little sniff and it smells familiar. I can't remember what base coat it smells like. It definitely smells like a base coat that I already have, but I just can't remember the name of it. But I'm giving you guys the drip test right here. You guys can tell it does not drip too fast, which means that it has a good viscosity to it. It has a slow drip. It's not too thick though. It's not like really, really thick, but it's not very thin either, somewhere in the middle. And then let's do the same with the top coat, giving it a sniff. Again, it smells familiar. I just don't know. Like, I really have so many base coats and top coats. I can't really place the smell, but it definitely smells familiar. This one drips a lot faster so that you could tell it's a thinner consistency top coat. So the base coat's a little bit thicker and the top coat's thinner, all right? And what else should we look at next, you guys? The polygel. Duh. I saved the best for last. Here we go. So I have the polygel over here. I have some swatch sticks right here. Now this is an old brush. It's exactly the same as the new one that came in the kit. I just don't want to open the new one, so I'm going to use my old one. And of course, I have the slip solution that came with the kit. In addition, I have a small glass dapping dish and a lint-free wipe to wipe my brush on if I need it. And then I'm going to show you guys, if you don't like slip solution, you could use the base coat as your slip solution. So, oh, of course, I have a little lamp. If you're dealing with polygel, you're also going to need a lamp. So I have my little mini Makartt lamp, and I do have a coupon code for this Makartt lamp if you like it. All right, so let's get started. All right, y'all. So I'm really nervous, to be honest. I'm nervous because I talked this kit up so much that if the polygel sucks, I'm gonna be embarrassed. But this color right here, you guys know I love pink. You guys know I love pink. It is so pretty. I'm hoping that the consistency of the polygel is good. Please, Lord, please, polygel gods, be with us, be with us. Okay, so I am going to use slip solution first. So I dipped my brush in a little bit of slip solution and I'm tapping it on the polygel, and guys, it feels good. It's not sticky. So far, so good. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand before. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the entire kit. If you haven't tried this brand before, but now that I've showed you the kit and you're like, oh, that looks dope, I think I'm gonna try it, let me know. I want to know all your thoughts. Okay, so I put a little bit of polygel at first, just trying to be a little stingy, you know, trying to be a little cheap, and it definitely was not enough. So I had to go back in with more. I hope I didn't put too much, much, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So here we go. This is a true test though. This is a true test because I put so much polygel on here. Let's see if I could smooth it out. Let's see if it's going to look nice when I'm done with it. So again, I'm using the slip solution and I have a little brush and I'm just patting and moving the polygel in place. As you guys can see, it's moving very well, and more importantly, y'all, more importantly, it's not sticking to the brush. I really hate sticky polygel. I really, really do. So I'm not going to have you guys watch me swatch every color because the video will be too long. But I am going to swatch one with slip solution. I'm going to swatch one with the base coat for you guys. That way you guys can decide, what do you want to swatch with better? Do you like to swatch with slip? Do you like to swatch with alcohol? Do you like to swatch with base coat? Let me know in the comment section below. I can tell you offhand my preferred way to swatch and to do polygel is with base coat. Look at this color though. This color is so stinking cute. Let me go ahead and cure it in the lamp. I'm going to do a full 60-second cure. So while that one is curing in the lamp, I'm going to swatch another one. And this time we are using the base coat. Now I did talk about this in a previous video, base coat versus slip versus alcohol. And I'm going to tell you right now, alcohol is a very good choice when you're smoothing your polygel. Alcohol is very good, but if you put too much alcohol, it could turn the polygel milky white. It could break it down a little bit too much. And I just, you know, I just haven't used alcohol as slip solution in a long time. Using slip solution, the slip solution that actually comes with your polygel kits, using that is obviously a good choice because it came with your kit. I just do not like slip. I don't know why I don't like it. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. It's just not my preferred method. And what are you going to do when you run out of slip solution? What are you going to do? Well, you already have base coat, right? Use the base coat, you guys. Use the base coat. Look how easy. I'm going to have to give you guys a close-up. Look at this, y'all. Look how easy the base coat just has that polygel sliding. And so it makes it so smooth. Look how I'm brushing it back. Just smoothing it in place. And it just glides so well with the base coat, you guys. Ever since I started using base coat for slip, I haven't used anything else. It just works so nicely. All right, so as I mentioned to you guys before, I was going to swatch two with you, and then I was going to swatch the rest off camera. Look how nice that looks. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. All right, so I went ahead and swatched everything else off camera. Here is the clear. The clear, you guys, worked well, but it's not as clear as I wanted it to be. Like, I wanted it to be crystal clear, but in terms of how it felt going on, it was great. It was actually nice and thick and firm like I like it to be. It's just not as clear as I want it to be. This color here, I love it. I think it's one of my favorite. Color number 3. Beautiful pink. Beautiful pink. That's probably one of my favorites because you guys know I love pink. I'm a pink girl. I'm a pink girl. I can't help it. All right, here is another pink one. And this one is color number 6. I couldn't read it. Color number 6. A beautiful, beautiful pink. Again, that one felt gorgeous. Like, all of them felt so good to use, y'all. I'm not even playing. Like, they did not stick to the brush. They were not all soft and goopy and runny. I hate nasty, just goopy, sticky polygel. I hate that. But look how beautiful this one is on my skin. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nude for my skin tone. I freaking love that color too. Perfect for me. Perfect for a nice chocolate girl. All right, let's see which color. Let's do this clear. It's kind of like a sheer color, maybe like a jelly. Now you see that white at the tip of it? Oh my gosh, you guys. That's because when I put it in the lamp, I had a piece of a paper towel under the lamp and it stuck to it, so I'm sorry. All right, this color I think is also a beautiful nude. This will look good on me too. This would be a beautiful nude, you guys, for me. I feel like that's actually not for me. I feel like I was being selfish. You guys could use it too. I feel like that's a beautiful nude for most skin tones. Like, that's a very universal nude. Now, this nude I feel is more for fair skin tones. If you have a nice fair skin color, this nude I think will look very pretty on you. Very, very pretty. All right, what else do we have next? What do we have next? next. As you guys can tell, I'm saving the color changing ones for last. Oh, why? Okay, you guys know white polygel is a pain in the ass, right? You guys know that. This white polygel went on well. It was not sticky. And it cured in the lamp in a minute. I did not have to double cure it. It cured in a minute, which is great for white polygels because we all know white polygel is a pain. All right, here is a nice pink color changer, but as you can tell, like, it did not really change color for me. It didn't really change. Now here's another color changing one. This is what it looks like fresh out of the lamp, color number 11. Now I'm gonna let it cool down for a couple seconds, and this is what it looks like after it cools down. So it does get a little bit darker. It does get darker once you give it a couple seconds to cool down. Now, here is another one. This was the best color changing one. This one, look how white it is, right? Look how white it is. Let's give it a couple seconds. Boom. Beautiful. That's a beautiful nude color. Color number 12, I think, is my favorite of the color changings. And the last color changing is color number 10, a clear kind of jelly color. I gave it a couple seconds and look, beautiful, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, this is everything that came in the kit. One of my favorite kits I have opened thus far. They really took the time and thought about everything that they were putting in here. Look at all the colors it comes with, the glitter, nail clippers, cuticle. Come on, like, they really put their heart and soul into this kit. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. You did amazing. And now for the Nail Crew member spotlight. Nail Crew member spotlight. Today goes to Josephine Martinez. You guys head over to her page. Subscribe to her channel and hit her with a hey girl, hey, and tell her Nikki sent ya. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and visit my website. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.